Hello and welcome back to Learn and Success. This is your space to listen, to repeat, to shadow, and to learn English at a slow and natural pace. I'm Jenifa, and I'm really happy you're here. In this episode, I speak slowly. I use clear, simple words, and I repeat ideas so you can shadow my voice. You can practice your speaking and build your confidence step by step. Today, we will talk about how to describe your day in English. Not just short sentences, but full ideas. What do you do in the morning? What happens in your afternoon? What is your evening routine like? By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your day in English using clear and natural sentences. So let's begin. Why is it important to practice talking about your day in English? It's important because your day is real. It's something that happens to you every day. You already know it well. You don't need to search for ideas. You don't need to talk about history, science, or politics. You just talk about your own life. You can say what time you wake up. You can say what you eat for breakfast. You can say if you go to work or stay at home. You can say how you feel. Tired, busy, happy, or relaxed. And here's the best part. When you describe your own day, you are practicing real English, useful English, English that you can use with real people in real life. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. When you talk about your day, you begin to think in English. You begin to speak more naturally. You stop translating in your head, and you feel more confident when speaking. Let's take an example. Imagine you meet someone new. They ask, "What did you do today?" If you've practiced talking about your day, you can answer easily. You can say, "I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had coffee and answered emails. In the evening, I made dinner and watched TV." That is a full answer. That is real communication, and that is your goal. Even if you are alone, even if you are not in an English class, even if you feel shy, you can still practice English by talking about your day. Whenever you don't know what to say, start simple. What did I do today? What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go? What did I do in the evening? These questions help you remember vocabulary. They help you build good English habits. They help you think in full sentences without stress. You can do this in the morning to talk about yesterday. You can do this in the evening to review today. You can even record yourself and listen back. The key is to keep it simple. Use the English you already know. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. 1 sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow, a full story next week. So today, let's build this skill together, step by step, word by word, one real sentence at a time. Now let's start with the morning. The morning is an important part of the day. It sets the mood, it gives you energy, and it's a perfect time to think and speak in English. Now let's practice some simple morning sentences together. Repeat slowly, just like shadowing. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you repeat. Sometimes I wake up earlier, around 6:30, when I have a lot to do. Now you repeat. If I sleep late, I feel tired the next morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms and legs. Then I sit up slowly and get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I brush slowly and carefully for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel awake. Sometimes I take a quick shower, especially if I feel sleepy. When I shower, I like to play soft music or listen to English audio. After my shower, I dry off and put on my clothes. I try to wear something clean and comfortable. Sometimes I wear jeans and a t-shirt. If I have a meeting or class, I wear something more formal. Next, I go to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast. I usually eat something simple like toast, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I have cereal with milk and a banana. If I have more time, I make an omelet or oatmeal. I like to eat slowly and enjoy my food. I drink coffee most mornings. Sometimes I drink green tea because it feels light and fresh. While eating, I sometimes watch a short video or check the news. Other days, I enjoy the quiet and listen to birds outside. I check my phone. I look at the time and read my messages. I check my calendar to see if I have meetings or appointments. I pack my bag with everything I need: my phone, my notebook, my keys, my water bottle. Then I put on my shoes and go out the door. Now let's shadow a short story. My morning routine. Listen first, then repeat slowly. In the morning, I usually wake up around 7. Sometimes I wake up earlier. If I have many things to do, I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about the day ahead. I stretch my arms, yawn a little, and slowly get up. Then I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth for 2 full minutes. After that, I wash my face with cold water. It really helps me wake up. If I still feel sleepy, I take a warm shower. I often listen to relaxing music while I shower. It helps me feel calm and focused. After the shower, I put on clean clothes and check my hair in the mirror. Next, I go into the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat 2 pieces of toast with butter and jam. Sometimes I add a boiled egg. I drink a large cup of coffee. That's very important to me. While eating, I sit near the window and look outside. Sometimes I hear birds and enjoy the peaceful moment. Before I leave the house, I check my phone. I look at the time, my to-do list, and my schedule. Then I prepare my bag and make sure I have everything. Finally, I put on my jacket and shoes, open the door, and step outside to start my day. Now let's say a few final practice sentences together. Every morning is a little different, but I try to follow a good routine. When I start my day with English, I feel more focused. I'm proud of my progress and I will keep going. Now let's move to the afternoon. The afternoon is usually busy. Some people work, some people study, some stay home and take care of family or housework. Whatever you do, the afternoon is a good time to use English. Even 5 or 10 minutes is enough. Let's practice some afternoon sentences. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel a little sleepy after I eat. I check my emails and answer the important ones. I read messages from coworkers or classmates. I usually have 1 or 2 meetings in the afternoon. If I work from home, I sit at my desk and open my laptop. I write reports or prepare presentations. I take a short break around 3 o'clock. I drink tea or water and sometimes eat a small snack. If I have time, I go for a short walk to get fresh air. In the afternoon, I also study English. I listen to a podcast. I read short articles. I watch slow English videos. I repeat sentences out loud to practice speaking. Before I finish work, I write down what I did today. I also write 1 new English word I learned. Now listen to my afternoon story. After lunch, I go back to my desk and check my emails. I make a to-do list for the rest of the day. I usually have a short meeting with my team. After the meeting, I take a break and make a cup of tea. If I have free time, I study English. I listen, pause, and repeat sentences. Before I stop working, I write a short summary of my day. I also write 1 sentence about how I feel. Now it's your turn. Pause the video. Try to talk about your afternoon. Use short sentences. That's enough. Now let's move to the evening. The evening is a time to relax and review the day. I come home in the evening and rest for a few minutes. I watch the news or listen to music. I cook dinner or order food if I'm tired. I eat with my family and talk about our day. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Before bed, I read or listen to calm music. I brush my teeth and go to bed around 10:30 or 11. Now think about your full day: morning, afternoon, evening. You did great today. You listened, you repeated, you spoke English. This is real progress. You are not just learning English, you are using English. This is Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa, and I'm proud of you. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.